Hi, everybody. I'm Jennifer Smith. In this podcast, I'll talk about how you can make a Ikaria juice recipe at home and the benefits of the recipe. If you find it a hassle to prepare the juice or face difficulties in gathering ingredients, you have the option to purchase a Ikaria juice powder. It's a completely organic and genuine product. For a limited time, you can get a 70% discount by clicking the link in the video description below. If the link doesn't work, simply copy and paste the link into your browser, then press enter. The discount will be automatically applied. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you're thrilled to explore, please the official website, https://ikariajuicerecipes.wordpress.com/. Now, let's get into today's topics. Unveiling the power of Ikaria juice, a revolutionary weight loss solution for women. Introduction. In the quest for achieving a healthier lifestyle, Ikaria juice has emerged as a game changer, especially for women aiming to shed those extra pounds swiftly and effectively. Our team is thrilled to introduce you to this exceptional juice recipe. Not only promises rapid weight loss, but also ensures a nourishing boost for your overall well-being. The science behind Ikaria juice. Key ingredients crafted with precision. Ikaria juice is a blend of potent ingredients known for their exceptional weight loss properties. Green tea extract, packed with antioxidants, kickstarts your metabolism, while the infusion of ginger aids digestion and reduces bloating. The magic of lemon, rich in vitamin C, not only adds a zesty flavor, but also aids in detoxification. Metabolic boost and fat burning. The synergy of these ingredients creates a powerful concoction that actively promotes a faster metabolism and enhances the body's ability to burn fat efficiently. Unlike fad diets, Ikaria juice focuses on natural, sustainable weight loss, making it a safe and reliable choice for women seeking long-term results. Crafting the perfect Ikaria juice step-by-step guide. Gathering ingredients. Begin your journey to a slimmer you by assembling the following. Green tea bags, fresh ginger, lemons, brewing green tea. Steep the green tea bags in hot water, allowing the antioxidants to infuse into the liquid. This step forms the foundation of the juice, providing a metabolism-boosting kick. Infusing ginger. Grate fresh ginger into the green tea, adding a spicy element that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also aids digestion. Squeezing fresh lemons. Extract the juice from fresh lemons and incorporate it into the mix. The high vitamin C content not only enhances flavor, but also supports your body's detoxification process. Blending to perfection. Combine the brewed green tea, grated ginger, and lemon juice in a blender. Blend until you achieve a smooth, vibrant liquid, ready to work its magic on your weight loss journey. Incorporating Ikaria juice into your routine daily consumption. To maximize the benefits of Ikaria juice, integrate it into your daily routine. Consider replacing your morning beverage with this refreshing elixir or sipping it as a mid-afternoon pick-me-up. Consistency is key, so make Ikaria juice a habitual part of your lifestyle. Real results, real stories, testimonials. Women worldwide have embraced the Ikaria juice journey and witnessed remarkable transformations. From shedding stubborn inches to experiencing a surge in energy levels, the positive testimonials speak volumes about the effectiveness of this weight loss solution. Final thoughts in conclusion, Ikaria juice stands as a beacon of hope for women seeking a rapid and natural way to lose weight. Its unique blend of green tea, ginger, and lemon creates a powerhouse of benefits that extend beyond weight loss, promoting overall wellness. Say goodbye to restrictive diets and welcome a sustainable approach to achieving your fitness goals. Don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, share with others, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.